Hello. Hey guys. Alright, I know. Sorry. Okay, first of all, yes, I know I have not given you guys the video you've been asking for of the unboxing of my bag. I will get to it. I'm sorry. I haven't had time to film it because I am now in Switzerland. I had to get on a flight and I was already behind on the videos anyway. And just quick recap. Okay, got my bag. We'll talk about it. We'll be still posting the in-store shopping experience and like vlogging and then the reveal. So stay tuned. I promise it'll be worth it. This video has been 3 years in the making, whatever. I promise, or 2 years in the making, 3 years in the making. So I promise I will do it soon as I get back from Europe. I'm in Europe right now, and that's why I couldn't film it and edit it. I had to rush out. I'm in Europe right now, and that's why I haven't been able to film it and edit it and everything like that. So I'm going to film it. I'm going to get it to you guys soon. I promise. It's gonna be a little later than I. So sorry. So that's disclaimer. Disclaimer 1. Disclaimer video. Maybe I'll just post this as a disclaimer video. Disclaimer video. Hermes journey update. My disclaimer video. My Hermes journey update. Disclaimer video. My quota bag. Disclaimer update. This is not the video you're waiting for. This is just a video to tell you an update. So just to let you know, just to let you know. So I got the bag. I haven't been able to film it. I am now in Europe, and I will film it when I got the bag. I haven't been able to post it yet. I've been traveling. I'm in Europe, and I will post it as soon as I get back. I promise I will post it to you. I know it's been a long time coming. I promise you guys. I'm really excited. I really want you to see it. So just please stick with me, play with me, please. I promise this will be worth it. I'm sorry I haven't posted it yet. It's worth the wait. It's been 3 years in the making. It will be, 3 more days or weeks or whatever it is until I get out. But I promise I will get it out in 2 parts. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be great because it's me, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. And I love it, and you guys are gonna love it. So okay. So sorry about that. That is the disclaimer of this video. I will get it to you. I promise. But right now I'm in Europe. Just brutting around, and I've popped into every single Hermes obviously and tried to get my second one obviously because I already want a second one obviously. Okay, so I will talk about that in a separate video. But I am going to post a separate video today about something that I just found out that I wanted to give you this update. So cut. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic, chic shit, and today is an Hermes update. Quick update video for you on my journey and my bag that I have not posted yet. I'm sorry. My quick update on my journey and my bag that I haven't posted yet. I promise I will. I know. I'm sorry. I know.